you gonna get up? What am I gonna eat? Want to make a good omelet? Well, I'm gonna let you in on the technique that I do. Can't miss it. We're gonna be using 2 eggs, half of this tomato, a handful of spinach, about a tablespoon of butter, good old-fashioned Munster cheese. All right, first things first, we need some fire. Now we need a pan. Make sure it's a non-stick pan. We're gonna add our butter. Just let that melt. Use your rubber spatula to get it all around. We're gonna add our tomatoes. Season it. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. You're gonna add your spinach. Now it's a good time to whip our eggs. Now we're gonna add our egg in there. Use a spatula to get everything out. And you want to make sure that the egg is all around the veggies. Now grab your spatula, lift it from one side, get all the liquid eggs on the bottom, and repeat all around. And then you want to push your omelet all the way to the front and flick your wrist like that. At this point you want to add your cheese, and then this is ready to go on the plate. Alright, so you want to put the omelet halfway, and then with your pan, put the rest on top, and there's your perfect omelet. Hey, thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications for more recipes like this. Keep cooking, keep eating, but keep it healthy. All right, bye.